Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can boost the video quality using the super resolutions feature in CapCut Mobile. So in here, if you are finished with your projects, so you want to export the project but you want to have the best quality, so don't click on the export option yet, but click on this resolution box at the top, and there will be the super resolution feature. So you can boost the video quality to match the set resolution. And here, if you want to, you can also click on this example button to see the preview. So you can see this is the before. If you have a blurry video, you can have now a clearer or this super resolution. So if your video's resolution is lower than your export setting, turn on this feature to increase it to the set resolution. Okay, you can click on try now, or after this you can just enable the feature like this by swiping it to the right, the circles right here, and then click on export. But please be noted that this is a pro feature, so you need to be a pro features user on CapCut, or you need to join the CapCut Pro first before you can use this feature. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.